All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Terra Virtua Collect. What is Terra Virtua? All right, so Terra Virtua Collect is the fuel of the Terra Virtua ecosystem. Guys, in my opinion, this is definitely the future of NFTs. Not financial advice, just my opinion on it. But basically, TVK is used to get exclusive NFT drops, discounts, staking, and other things. So it's still being rolled out, guys. This is still a really early project. This is in December. But the reason why it's the future is because, guys, these are crazy. It's crazy what they're doing. So just look at this. Look how cool that is. I mean, you could say, oh yeah, I own this NFT. You can play around with it. You can actually bring it into real world. So you can actually set it up. So check this out. This is with Gary Bracey. You guys can't really hear it, but just watch and see what it's doing. Look, you're able to put the guy on there. It's just like augmented reality. And check this out as well. He also shows another section where the guy's standing right next to him. Look at this. You can literally, it's like a real life NFT. So instead of just having it on your phone, it's like, look, I have a digital item that's like real. So it's kind of cool how it works. But you guys can do some more research on it and see how it works. But let me go and play you guys a video of their demo.
Welcome to Terra Virtua. We'd like to take a couple of minutes to introduce you to our world and explain how we are revolutionizing the concept of collecting. We've all collected items at some point in our lives, whether stamps or coins, trading cards, posters or action figures, and sometimes we've nabbed merch that can actually trade for serious profit. Collecting and being a fan is part of who we are. In today's age of super fast internet and VR streaming, we take this to a whole new level. Online gaming introduced a new type of treasured commodity, the digital collectible. Initially, something that could enhance your gameplay performance, such as a more powerful sword. Some games allow you to trade these items with other players, creating the concept of digital collectibles. Today, we can now create compelling and sought-after items in virtual space, and technology allows us to dynamically bring these collectibles to life with animation, audio, and even AI. Terra Virtua has taken a number of your favorite brands and created a world of compelling, stunning, animated collectibles which you can discover, buy, collect, and trade with fellow collectors. And that's just the beginning. Terra Virtua has developed an exciting ecosystem which brings interactivity, social, and community to your collections to open up a whole world of new possibilities. Populate your own Terra Virtua fan cave, your personal 3D environment in which you can display, interact, and show off your collections. Bring your friends in, explore together, watch a video stream, listen to music, chat in real time while maybe negotiating the sale of one of your prized digital treasures. Our AR app allows you to bring virtual collectibles into the real world, so you can photo or video capture the scene to post on social media and show off to your friends. Every digital creation in Terra Virtua is unique, authentic, and truly ownable. In order to secure all collectibles, Terra Virtua uses blockchain technology, which is an ultra-secure digital vault protecting your items and authenticating your ownership. Coming soon is the ability to build and customize your fan cave and make it uniquely personal. The VR fan cave, for the most immersive and realistic experience. The Terra Dome, your own huge space to display bigger items, such as fighter jets from Top Gun, cars, spaceships, monsters, and more epic collectibles. And this is just the beginning, as we're adding new features, collections, and components every month. Discover, buy, trade, display, share, interact, build. Terra Virtua, collecting reinvented.
Just look at some of these partnerships. They got a partnership with Pacific Rim. I'm sure they're going to have more video games coming on. They got Top Gun collection. They have their own art gallery. So if you're making your own art, you can actually, let me go ahead and open up the art gallery so you guys can see it. You can actually post your own art on here. You can explore through, buy your own NFTs. Obviously, this is still being rolled out more and more, but you can still buy some of these items. So you can literally just click on them, see the 3D item, and it's really cool. It's a little bit slow. It's also because I'm recording it, but the image quality is high definition, so it's really cool. Some of these pictures, they move around, they'll do things, or some are they stand still like this. I mean, this is the coolest one though. This, like, it's 3D, it's interactive. So it's characters from movies and characters from different video games. So the options are limitless. I mean, you can create your own digital art and create your own items. They even have their own auctions, like we explained to you. You have your own custom character. As you guys saw in the demo, you have your own profile. You can sign in with Facebook, sign in with Instagram. So it's kind of public. You can also just create your own email account and set it up like that. The biggest thing about this, guys, is it's augmented reality. So augmented reality is the future. I mean, it's truly immersive, collectible. It's a truly immersive collectible platform across mobile, and you can even do it on your computer, but it's more interactive with the mobile because like I showed you, you can actually have like an augmented reality guy standing next to you. So you can have like your favorite movie character standing right next to you, or your favorite I don't know, drone or droid or Star Wars character, whatever. It could be standing next to you. They're partnered with Paramount Pictures, so the options are limitless. And then on top of this, if you guys don't think augmented reality is the future, well, Facebook, one of the biggest companies, they spend $1 billion in augmented reality and virtual reality. It's crazy. Spending approximately $1 billion. It's the future, guys. This is what we're looking at. And people want to be able to interact with the digital world in the real world. I mean, just think about it like this. You have a person, I know this sounds horrible, but you have a person who hates their life. They feel they aren't successful. They're working an hourly wage job, but they can go into these digital worlds, be what they want to be, do what they want to do, look how they want to look. They can basically make a new life for themselves. I mean, it's in my opinion, God made you the way you are supposed to be. You guys should not be upset with what you've been given, because you've been given talents that are better than others. So you have talents that you can perform way better than others. But in reality, people still don't understand that concept. That's why, in my opinion, this project will take off. It's the future. It's crazy. Normal NFTs are just like, oh, little pictures of things. But imagine if you can have like, oh yeah, look guys, I have Yoda standing next to me. That's awesome. That's cool. They have different upgrades to it, so you can do like different upgrades to your character. So it's like a little augmented reality video game thing. You can explore, see a new way to experience Terra Virtua world. It's like a digital marketplace. You can buy these items. You can display the items, almost like just like a library of all your items. You can have it. It's like your own house. People can come over, come look at it. Here's their partnerships. They got Big Immerse, Legendary, Unreal Engine, Vero, Unity. Paramount Productions is the biggest thing I like about them. It's crazy. You can actually sell your avatar. This is pretty cool. So you can sell it to other people. Obviously, you can't sell your very first avatar, but like any other avatars you add on or buy, you can sell those. They are working on a scaling solution, so do keep that in mind. They may be working with Matic or other layer 2 solutions. They haven't announced which one. So if you guys are worried about Ethereum gas fees, yes, it is working on being scaled. You can actually view the history of all the items that were bought and sold. So if you go onto the marketplace, you can do the blockchain view or view trading history, and it'll tell you when it was first issued, who bought it, etc. So if you want to view like all the item details of something, you can just look at it, all the information on there. And you can access your 3D view of all your items by simply just clicking onto it. And if you guys are wanting to post like some social media photos of you standing next to Yoda or I mean, just any of your favorite characters, all you do is you download the app and you can upload it, just like we showed you guys in the example. So if you want to deposit funds into your Terra wallet, you can deposit them into the account in order to actually buy items and so on. So you guys can look through these frequently asked questions. It's pretty simple to look over, easy to look through. I definitely recommend taking a look at the website. At least set up an account, play around with it. I mean, it's a cool little project. Here's on their Twitter page, even artists are selling their own items, so it's not just strictly with the Terra Virtua Connect company. So there's different items being sold by different people. So let's get into the tokenomics real quick. You guys are like, oh, it's such a great project. Well, what's the use case of the token? Well, let's go ahead and get into it now. Token supply. Right now, 20% to marketing. You guys can see the pie. So right now, with the early investors or the private sale and the team, you're currently looking about 40%, 50%. I'd probably say about 40%. So it's somewhat unbalanced, but it is a nice project. I don't see any other companies or any other crypto projects doing this. You guys can see the token release. It is pretty rapid in the beginning, and then it kind of tears off a bit, but the total supply is going to be 1.2 billion tokens into circulation, and currently there's about 200 million, I think. Let me see. No, I'm sorry, it's 88 million. So here's also what you can do with the TVK tokens. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can research this and look at it your own self, or you can pause this video and look at it. You can see how much the prices were. Easily what you do is you divide the US value by the share amount and it'll give you the token amount. So like right here, for example, it's about 1.19 cents a token or something like that. Let me go on to the actual page where I can show you the use case for the collect token. So you can actually check out the Etherscan address. They're actually, the amount of wallets carrying it are increasing. Like today it's up 1.7%. I mean, you guys can see this is like on a tier from 4,000, 5,000, it's going up. So it's definitely a growing project. Listed on BitMax. You can buy this on Uniswap, so there's different locations. I mean, if you guys are in the United States, probably the best place to go is just on Uniswap. So you can stake this token, farm this token, you can get rewards, you can create with the token. So it's really cool. So collect is the fuel of the Terra Virtua, opening up a whole world of privileges, experiences, and opportunities. So guys, with millennials, it's not about what you buy, like for boomers and the next gen, and more so what they were looking at is like, hey bro, I got a Rolex. Hey, look, I got a Louis Vuitton. I mean, yeah, we're still somewhat like that, but it's more so for the experience for millennials. Like for example, tiny homes. I mean, that's not really a proud announcement. Yeah, bro, I got the tiniest house. No, it's more so about the experience. You're kind of just living off the grid, minimalist. That's how the millennials are looking at it, and millennials are up and coming, and that's what cryptocurrencies are for. Cryptocurrencies are more so for millennials. They cater towards them because that's what they grew up with. That's what the video games. They are used to having a digital currency, like in-game currencies. So with the token, you can stake it, the TVK to join the exclusive clubs, NFT airdrops, collector rewards, previews, bonuses, and on top of that, the more you perform, the more you get rewarded, compete in competitions, quests, trade, govern. So it's almost like a real world video game. So it's crazy. But people are going to love this, especially how much people love video games. You can use the TVK to farm exclusive NFTs that are not tradable elsewhere, craft your own digital collectibles, and fan tokens using your Terraforma tools. So you can actually use these tools to make your own. So if you're like, I kind of like just chilling at home, but I'm spending all my money, I need to make money somehow. Well, you can have your own store online, so it's cool. You can interact with a digital marketplace issuing your own NFT product. So here's the Terra Virtua Prestige. You get discounts on selected new releases, early access to new releases, vote on collectibles you like to see, invitations to exclusive preview events, special unique features. The Terra Dome is like the ecosystem you can go into, and the fan cave. It's like a digital marketplace. It's cool. Monthly airdrops. This is also really cool. So you get random NFTs, and obviously you get the token. You do need to stake this in order to get that. You also have the rewards. We already talked about that. So again, this is performing a niche in the 3D NFTs, augmented reality. So it's not just, hey bro, we're making NFTs, we're doing that. No, there's already people out there with first mover advantage. For example, Engine's a huge one, and it's taken off, and it's the #1. And then you have Terra Virtua is hitting at a niche. So if you guys want to be successful, or if crypto wants to be successful, they have to hit a niche. Like for example, think about Polkadot. Its niche is interoperability. That's not much of a niche, but it is still a niche. So it takes off. Or Dime, that hits a niche. It's a launchpad, or Parsec, or API 3. It hits a niche. It's not just an Oracle. It's offering an Air node, hence why you see them take off. So you have to find a niche in this industry. There's so many cryptocurrencies. I mean, just go to CoinGecko, hit on the home page, and you'll see the total coins just go exponential. I mean, there'll be 1,600 one day, then 2,000 the next, and then 15,000 the next. I mean, you don't even know. There's just a new cryptocurrency coming out. I mean, PancakeSwap, Kebab token. I mean, the options are limitless. So it's like, well, you gotta have a niche. What's your niche? That's the question. It's not what you're doing. It's what is your niche? why are you going to be successful? Not what are you doing, because you could say one thing. Guys, it's all open source, so someone else can do it. That's why its first mover advantage is huge. Just because you build a great product doesn't mean people are going to board the ecosystem. This is why I like this project, is because they're partnered with Paramount. So obviously the big wigs already see some value into it. So it's like, wow, okay, I'm buying in, I'm getting in. But again, guys, if I'm bringing value to you guys, please go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and join the community. We teach about different cryptocurrencies, different projects, how to be successful in the crypto sphere, and learn about different things. So, guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. And again, as a disclosure, guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this cryptocurrency. I'm telling you about the cryptocurrency, what we're seeing in the future. You guys make that decision. You guys got big boy pants, so you guys do what you want to do. Proverbs chapter 28, verses 11. No, we already did this one. Well, actually, we're going to do it again because it's really good. The rich are wise in their own eyes, and one who is poor and discerning sees how deluded they are. Guys, don't be that guy who's like, yeah, bro, I'm all this, I'm all that. It's not like that, guys. You are not all this, all that, because what happens when you die? All your money, all your cash, all the success you've laid up on earth is like a vapor. It's worth nothing. If you guys don't believe me, the U.S. government is pumping trillions of dollars into our market. And you want to know why they can do that? Because it's literally nothing. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.